What's up guys, welcome to Real Gains. In this video I am going to take you through a no equipment full body home workout. This is the best home workout I have created. I say this is the best because for each muscle I have selected the most effective exercise you can do using your body weight. Without any delay, let's get started. Decline push-up. Keep your legs on an elevated platform and place your hands on the floor slightly greater than shoulder width apart. Make sure your spine is aligned with your body. This push-up variation will put more stress on your upper chest, which is the most stubborn part of the chest. Make sure you push yourself up to the maximum height for maximum muscle activation. This exercise is the inverted version of an incline bench press. Inverted decline row. Take a long cloth like a stole or a towel. Wrap it around a pole at a height above your head level. Now hold the towel, bend your knees slightly and lean back. Pull yourself towards the pole as much as you can and come back to the starting position. This exercise will work out your upper back muscles. This exercise is the inverted version of a barbell row. Pike push-ups. In a push-up position, bring your legs closer to your hands until your hip joint forms 45 degrees. Now perform push-up along the same plane. This will put the emphasis completely on the shoulder muscles, eliminating the effort required by chest and triceps. When you push up, push yourself backward in an inclined plane. This exercise is the inverted version of a pike push-ups. Superman extension. Keep your hands and legs shoulder width apart. Now lift them up at the same time. This will put more emphasis on the lower back muscles and some on the glutes and hamstring. Beginners can hold between 5 and 10 counts. Experienced people can hold this position as long as they can and come back to starting position. Inverted biceps curl. Do the same setup as required for inverted decline row. The height of the cloth you are using should be at the eye level. Now lean back using an underhand grip. Using your biceps, pull yourself towards the pole as much as you can and come back to starting position. Make sure your elbows are stable throughout the range of motion. This exercise is the inverted version of a barbell curl. Tricep dips. Take 2 stools or chair. On one stool or chair, place your hands at the sides and place your legs using the heels on the other. The distance between 2 chairs or stools should be in such a way that your hip joint is bent 90 degrees. Now go down until your shoulders start to stretch. Lift yourself up just before your shoulders contract. By doing this, your tricep muscles gets activated. Bulgarian split squat. Stand shoulder width apart and place one leg on a stool or chair. Now perform squats using the other leg. Make sure the knee doesn't go forward beyond your toes. To achieve this, adjust your back accordingly while going down. This squat variation will use the entire body on one leg, thus giving a better chance for leg muscle growth. Switch the legs and perform the exercise. Inverted leg curl. Lay down on your back and place a mat or towel underneath your feet. You can also wear socks. Just make sure it smoothly slides on the floor. Lift your butt and pull your feet towards you. This will put the emphasis on the hamstrings. This exercise is an inverted version of lying leg curl. One-legged bridge. Lay down on your back and bend your knees 45 degrees. Extend one knee such that the leg forms 45 degrees with the hip joint. Now using the other leg, lift your upper body. This will put more emphasis on the glute muscles. Make sure the extended leg is in line with the body when you lift the body up. Switch the legs and do the exercise. one-legged standing calf raise. Using the balls of your feet, stand at the edge of an elevated platform like the steps. Hold on to the handrail and cross one leg over the other behind the back. Now lift the feet on the ground. This will put more emphasis on the calf muscle of the leg at the floor. Focus more on stretching the calf muscles by lowering your feet beyond the ground level. Seated crunches. Sit on a stool, hold the edges and raise your legs up. Now crunch by bringing your knees as close as possible to your chest. Make sure you draw strength completely from your abdominal muscles. Don't place your heels in the floor until you complete one set. Heel touches. Lay down on your back and bend your knees around 45 degrees. Slightly crunch your upper body and touch your heels alternatively on both sides. This will put emphasis on your oblique muscles. Alright guys, I hope you found these exercises helpful. Let me give you a quick tip. In order to build muscle using your body weight, it is very important to incorporate techniques such as training till failure as well as rest pause sets. So in this workout, you need to do each set until failure, and then at the end of each set, you need to do a rest pause. For example, if you do push-ups up to 20 counts in the last set, you need to take 20 seconds rest and then do another 5 to 10 reps. So using this technique, you can build muscle at your home. And for each exercise, you can do 3 to 4 sets, and advanced lifters can do up to 5 sets. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and also share this video with people to whom it will be helpful. If you wish to support me, please hit the subscribe button and the bell button to get notified whenever a video is posted. Make sure to check out my other videos to lead a healthy life. Thanks a lot for watching the video.